Welcome to today's JavaScript tutorial. In this session, we'll learn how to write a program to add the two digits of a given positive two-digit integer. This problem is a fun way to practice basic number manipulation in JavaScript. Let's dive in and explore how it works. In this problem, we're working with two-digit integers. The goal is simple. Extract the two digits of the number, add them together, and return the result. For instance, if the input is 25, we separate it into 2 and 5 and calculate the sum, which is 7. Let's see how to implement this in JavaScript. Here's the JavaScript code to solve the problem. The function add two digits takes a two-digit number as input. We'll calculate the sum of its last digit and its tens digit. The result is returned, and we can test it with examples like 25 and 50. This approach is both efficient and easy to understand. Next, let's break it down step by step. Here's how the function works step by step. We use the modulus operator to extract the last digit. Next, we use the integer division to get the last tens digit. We then add these two together. Finally, the function returns the result, giving us the sum of the digits. Now, let's test these with some examples. In the first example, the input is 25. The last digit is 5, extracted using n modulo 10. The tens digit is 2, calculated with met.flow and divides by 10. Adding these two together gives 7. The function works as expected, providing the correct result. In the second example, the input is 50. The last digit is 0 and the tens digit is 5. Adding these two together gives us 5. This demonstrates the program's ability to handle numbers with a 0 as one of the digits. Here's the ES6 version of the function. Written as an arrow function, it's concise yet identical in functionality to the original implementation. The syntax makes the code more modern and easier to read while maintaining its effectiveness. To summarize, our program extracts the two digits of a number using simple mathematical operations, adds them together, and returns the result. This solution is efficient and demonstrates the power of basic operations in solving real-world problems. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I will see you next time.